Hey guys, Kristen here at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change rig ready Rams. Now we buy your Ram. Behind me there's a 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude, so let's take a peek. At the front of this Jeep you have your color match bumper with your built-in fog lights. It has your tow hooks down at the bottom. This one does have the globe here for forward collision warning. And then underneath the hood there is the 3.6 liter Pentastar engine. Alongside here you have your blacked out rims, you have your blind spot monitoring in your mirror, as well as proximity entry on the door, but we'll check out the back. The Jeep, you have your color match bumper with your built-in park sensors. This one has trailer tow group, so you have your hitch receiver and 4 and 7 pin wiring. This one has a built-in backup camera right here. It also has the power lift gate. And then in the back, it is super spacious. You have your tonneau cover that just pulls forward and clips in like that. And then underneath the floor mat, you have additional storage as well as a full-size spare tire. Inside of this Jeep you have the nice leather seats with the cloth insert. They are heated, as well as the steering wheel is heated. This one does have a nice power sunroof. Tons of storage in this Jeep. You have your 2 center console areas as well as your glove box. This one has the 8.4-inch touchscreen in it that has navigation. This one also has your traction control, your sport mode, eco mode. You can turn your lane departure off. This is for your auto on and off when you're in traffic, and then your park sensors. But we'll check out the back seat. Back of this Jeep, you have tons of room for your passengers, as well as some additional storage in behind your driver and passenger seats. You have a 115-volt plug-in back here, as well as a couple cup holders and your flip-down armrest. And then the seats fold down really easily, making this area nice and flat. If you're interested in this vehicle and want to see 30+ pictures and pricing, click the link below or give us a call, 780-942-3629.